Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, I found a garage sale and I'm going to take this, and there's a lot more of beautiful things here. Nice. And these things also, the bike, clothing, and some house decoration. Yeah, I was on my way out and I've seen that garage sale. Nice. And she said that there are more tomorrow. Yeah, but I don't really need anything. I just stopped there because I want something like a table. Yeah, it's still very early. We're just going to have a coffee here. And these are the news today in Australia. Yeah, mate, I'm maybe going to drink it somewhere there. Look at this view. The same like Dubai Marina in Dubai. You know, every place has its own beauty. Sometimes the best thing about that is the experience. Yeah, not necessarily the beautiful things, the bad things, but it's actually the experience. The things that I bought from the garage sale, just in the neighborhood, maybe 3 houses from here. Yeah, this one, this table, this is $5. Yeah, it's good. I will use this because I have only this table, and this table full of some papers and things like that, and this is also where I eat. So when I have this, I'm going to organize this and yeah, put there the papers that I don't need. Yeah, and these are the things, other things. This is a helmet, bike helmet. It doesn't look clean, but I'm going to clean this. And I also take this, a sweater, and another sweater. Yeah. And I'm going to put this in the laundry. Yeah, together with the rest. I clean this purse. Yeah, according to the lady, to the owner, he said it is from his son that is grown up already. Good day, mates. The time now is 1 o'clock and I'm going to work now. The same. A lot of people there. They are in the beach for sure. I mean, a lot of cars in there, and for sure the people are in the beach. And if you notice my helmet, yeah, this is new. This is the one that I bought in the garage sale yesterday in the neighbor. Nice. It is $2. Yeah, yesterday it was dirty yesterday, and then I clean it and it's beautiful. Yeah, it looks like new today. It feels new also. Sorry, thank you. The helmet that I usually use is $7 from Kmart, and obviously a lot of people are using that helmet in this place. And I think in every place here in Australia, because that is the cheapest in Kmart, $7. And the other prices are ranging from $25 and yeah, $25 in Kmart also. And there are, you know, in the bicycle shop, those are maybe $80 or higher, and I don't like those. I like only the very basic but looks good. I'm also not into branded, so this thing is okay for me. Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ang iyong puso. tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong buhay. Huwag mo sanang akalain natutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. Break it down, yo! If you see a lot of cars here, it means that a lot of people are in the beach. They're sunbathing there. Yeah, I am again having this iced tea. This is not because I am very thrifty. It's just that I like iced tea than any other drinks. Yeah, I don't really like Coca-Cola or soft drinks. And about the food that I am eating, yeah, because you know, last time in my previous video about this my cheap life in Australia, basically the food that I am buying happen to be the cheap one. I mean, the food that I like are the cheap one. I don't really like the steaks or fish or anything like that expensive. I just like simple, just like egg, vegetable, yeah, those things. Right now we are here in the Filipino shop and I'm going to buy these things. Look at this. This is a palabok mix. Yeah, I'm going to take this one and this one, pancit bihon and iced tea. This is the one that I'm using at home. Yeah. Hey guys, good morning. It is around 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I came here early to withdraw money from the ATM machine because today is Wednesday, and yeah, I am supposed to pay my rent yesterday, but I don't have money yesterday. Yesterday morning I sent a message to my friend and I am asking him, I'm borrowing money from him, but he was working and didn't able to send me the money, so he sent it to me last night. Yeah, $250 because I have just $36 in my ATM. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have money, mate. It's like this because last week I sent a lot of money to the Philippines to different people. Yeah, because they need, and yeah, I sent them. It's maybe more or less 100,000 pesos, something like that. And yeah, it's not just one person but different people. Yeah, and I end up I don't have money. Yeah, a lot of bikes here. Look, those are for rent. Yeah, it's my bike. And also they have this big fat tire bike. Nice. And this is the first time that I've seen this place with so much people. Yeah. Even in this restaurant, I was in line waiting for my turn to get my order. Very busy. There is a program going on in that side, but I need to eat first, so we're going there. It's not a good idea to go bike here these days. A lot of people, you cannot really freely go around. Yeah, coffee shop there are closed already. and they are starting to close also. Some restaurants here are still open, and we're going to try here Gloria Jeans. I really miss the coffee in 7-Eleven. The coffee in 7-Eleven is just $1, and this one $5. Expensive, mate. So today is Australia Day, and a lot of people on that side, and that side, in that side, especially in the beach area, there's a lot of people. Yeah, they are celebrating this Australian Day. And with this celebration, I would like to thank you, the Australian, all the Australian, every Australian. Thank you very much for letting me in to your country to experience the life, for the job, for the hospitality, for the smile, for everything, for being here. Thank you very much. Yeah, your country is an amazing country, very clean, green everywhere, and of course the people are friendly. Yeah, nice. It's a great experience to be here. Yeah, you know, with this experience, it also gives me the opportunity to, you know, to help other people, and of course my family. Yeah, very thankful. And for sure, most of the people, most of the foreigner, most of the non-Australian that are living in your country, they are very much appreciative for what opportunity you've given to them, you've given to us. Yeah, it really helped us, you know, to survive the daily life, support the family, things like that. I can't really express it in English, but I think you know what I'm trying to say. Thank you very much.